unit para kay Coach Louie Gonzalez. Different mix in the starting five. Let's see if it will work against Arellano today. Ball is up and game is underway. First round matchup between JRU and Arellano. Good to have you with us. Martin Javier with Coach Jerry Cordillera. MJ Raimundo connects on his first attempt. Put some points on the board for JRU. Napakaganda ang simula para dito sa JRU. Babawiin kaagad ni Abiera, Coach. Parang sabi sa akin ni Abiera, kaya ako nagsa-start ngayon para kay Coach Chico because I can do that.
Ganitong-ganito yung ginawa ng first win nila sa Arellano. Hot start kagad.
Oh, ito naman. Steal and the score plus the foul for a very aggressive Abiera.
Mark, talaga ang nagseset talaga ng atake nitong Arellano is yung offense nila. If they play good, solid offense, sigurado magandang i-defensa nila. Baliktad. Sa iba, depensa muna eh. Sa kanila, offensa.
Ito nga si Renzo Abiera. What a start for him. Rewarding the decision of Coach Chico to include him in the starting unit and he completes the three-point play. Kanya lahat. Itong 6 na puntos ng Arellano.
Talagang siya, madiin lumaro. Ibang-iba compared sa ibang mga games nila.
That's Benitez. Kabitawan. Arellano. Off and running again. Valencia all the way. I love the energy of Phil Oil right now. It's a jam-packed venue with students from both schools making some noise. Medina off the catch. Medina off to the left. Benitez collects. Offensive rebound for JRU. Jonathan Medina. Muna naman sa labas. Why not?
Yun ang voice. Nakita niya. Nakita niya. Grabe ang mga loose ball. Tapos nakita niya, iniwan siya. Hindi na nag-hesitate.
Vinoya pulling the trigger that time. Gray Miller hustling. Saving it to the wrong man. Medina, pinag-isipan. Medina, feeding Diab. No. Raimundo offensive boards. Raimundo puts it back in. And JRU counters right back here in the first, Coach.
Ang laki, malaki niya tinira yun kay Binoya, which is around 6'4". Ang laki ng bata.
Ako, pinilit yun ni Mavi Binoya. Ito na naman ang JRU Medina. Oh! Draws the foul and he is hurt. He's still down on the floor. Got hit in that midsection. Okay, Coach, let's use this opportunity to go courtside for the first time. Here's the report from Kayla Afable. Kayla, go ahead.
Martin and Coach Jerry, with both of our teams at an even playing field right now, with 1 win apiece and hungry for their second, we can expect a fight to the end. For the Chiefs, it's all about playing that inside game. Sabi nga ni Coach Chico Manabat sa akin na alam niyang agresibo talaga ang JRU sa opensa at depensa. So they'll need to rely on their big men, control the boards, and play down the court. Now, the strategy of the Heavy Bombers is gonna be the complete opposite. They will be focusing on activating their scorers and playing on the outside. Alam nila na mas malalaki ang Chiefs, kaya kailangan nila lakasan ang depensa sa ilalim. That's all from courtside. Back to you, Martin and Coach Jerry.
Thank you so much, Kayla. You know what's strange, Coach Jerry? Medyo baliktad yung nangyayari dito. Dahil ang, well, Arellano, meron silang punto sa loob at labas. Itong JRU, di pa masyado sa labas ngayon. Dito sisimula ng ating laban.
Yes, sa kanila ngayon, for the meantime, naghahanap pa sila ng kumpiyansa. They take what the defense gives them. Kung puro layup, kinukuha nila yun. Hindi nila pinipilit kung labas lang.
Maya-maya, magkiklik na yung game plan as Medina exits the game. Meron tong iniinda. We hope we can get an update on Jonathan Medina later kasi medyo iika-ika siya going to the bench. Mark Barrera enters the game for him. That's a scorer for a scorer para dito sa JRU. Mavi Vinoya scans the floor. Hinanap sa ilalim si CJ Libang.
Ganda ng pasa ni Binoya ron. Tapos good finish doon sa big guy. Ito, mga 6'5 dito si Lima.
Coach, dun sa sequence na yun, hinanap ng Arellano yung punto sa ilalim. Pangilinan! Off to the right. But the putback is there for Giab.
Nakita mo yung kulang ni Giab doon? Nakita niya, malaki sa kanya. Inunahan kagad eh. Inunahan kagad ng body contact eh.
Veterano na yan si Giab,
veterano
Coach.
na, oo.
JRU pulls ahead and they get the steal. Mark Barrera starting the break. They will wait here at the half court. Giab atake. Giab. Barrera. Yes!
Suabe. Suabe yung mga extra pass. Extra shot. Pero constant dito sa dalawang component na to. Constant ang pressure. Full court pressure. Talagang hindi mawawala yan.
Pansin natin, ano? Dito simula pa lang. Abiera from way out.
Malayo yun. Parang 4 point
Pang 4 points na yun.
area yun. Oo.
A quick change of hands here in the first quarter. Kanina ng mga Arellano. Ngayon, JRU na ang abante. 13 to 10. 6 and 11 to go. Ivan Panapanan checks into the ball game. Rookie out of the Arellano Braves program. Facing his former team in high school. MJ Raimundo. Facing up on Yuan Kamay. Cross-court pass. Barrera for 3. Makes it. And here comes Renzo Abiera. Nakapigan sa likod.
Na-backtip yun. Hindi siya nakatingin.
Barrera. Raimundo. Finishes. JRU establishes a 5-point lead.
I like the speed, Martin. Pero kailangan ng ball siya. Hatakin din eh. If you have the numbers, why not? Pero kung nakita mo nandun na, hatakin mo.
That's right. MJ Raimundo with 6 points already here in the first quarter. Valencia stops, turns, and scores.
Beautiful, ang ganda. Ibang skill set nito ni Valencia.
Ang Jericho Dinera yun. Time out on the floor. It's been a great start to this ball game. Almost halfway through. Magbabalik po kami.
Huwag kayong matakot tumanggap ng bola at trabahuhin natin ang biyaya. Yan muna mula sa panig ng Arellano Chiefs, Martin and Bond.
Maraming salamat. Laisel Galpo.
Yun na nga.
Katulad nung second quarter natin.
Yun na nga.
So let's see. Dapat dito umatake ang Arellano. Oh, pass to Valencia. What a fadeaway. Balik sa ating laban. Back and forth affair here in the first quarter. Jonathan Medina draining that one from the outside just before he exited the game. Pero para sa Arellano, ito yung game plan nila. Sinasabi ni Kayla, dump the ball inside. They were able to score through Libang there. Pero yung JRU, ito naman yung kanilang isa sa signature nila. Offensive rebounding, hustling, and put back. In this sequence, they were just patient. Mike Barrera feeding Raimundo in transition. Coach, first quarter natin, reason why JRU was able to fight back, tatlo agad ang kanilang offensive rebounds.
Yes, kailangan talaga mahaba pa rin yan. They may be slim, pero makita mo yung haba.
Yeah.
Siyempre, kahit pa paano, no? Ano yan eh, mga mahahaba ang reach, athletic, kaya chances are, makakakuha ng offensive rebound yan.
Eto, wow, it's the big guy with a steal, Kapulong.
Inararo. Talaga namang, anong mabagal? So nagsabing mabagal si Kapulong. Nakaturbo, oh. Mark.
Grabe naman, oo.
Naku,
Nakaturbo na, pagbangga.
ang bumangga.
Kumatawan pa, no? Oh, di ba? Oh.
Yan ang gusto ko makita sa kanya yung speed eh.
Ang sabi sa akin ni Coach Jerry, si Kapulong, DeMarcus Cousins.
Oo.
Kasi kompleto yung game eh, para sa big guy. Kasi may dribbling, nakita natin doon, di ba? May bilis. may shooting din sa labas.
Nahawa siya rin sa teammates niya. They started well. High speed ang takbuhan. So nakita niya, kaya naman pala eh.
Just 1 out of 2 on that trip for JL Gapulong. Sidney Mosqueda is in the game. Panapanan on top. Handoff for Barrera. Vinoya was a little too active in that sequence. He is called for the personal.
He has to work on that. You know, he has to move his legs. Medyo mabilis sa kanya yung binabantayan
14
niya.
seconds on the shot clock.
Cyril Hernal checks in for the first time. Ultra athletic wing. Barrera, wala. And the rebound goes to Tina Ongotan. He starts to break. Valencia, hang time. He scores!
Pasti Valencia!
Good read coming from Ongotan. Talaga pag ito nasa open court, nako, it's his game. Oo, kanya yan, pag open court.
Sana yung kumuha ng rebound. Siya pa yung nagsimula. Anong fast break? 15 apiece. MJ. Sid against Capulong this time. Mosqueda will attack. Stops. Triple team. Nowhere to go. And it's a shot clock violation.
Tignan mo naman yung collapse doon. Tatlo-tatlo. Dapat nabasa ni Mosqueda yun.
Ito. Fast break. Ang bilis ng forward pass. But I would like to admire the adjustment in midair of Pasti Valencia here. Iniwas. Panapanaan.
Oo. Magaling maghanap ng tira yan Valencia. Very creative as a scorer.
He takes a breather with 6 points. Talking about Pasti Valencia. Espiritu. Ongotan. Ongotan will attack. Change of speed. Barrera will be called for this one. So 2 free throws coming up for Ongotan.
His first
Look at
three
this.
on the heavy bombers.
May tira pa, no?
2 free throws for
Very
Jayadan
good.
Parang
Ongotan.
plastic man. Di ba? Ano, parang nakakaano eh.
Nakakalusot.
Oo.
Ang haba nito ni Barrera kaya mahirap lusutan ha.
Pero ito, Mark, itong lineup ni Coach Gerson, matibay ito. Magandang lineup ito. Kompleto to. May post, may open court game, may 3 points,
Arellano,
may
you mean?
perimeter.
Arellano.
Oo. ito.
Coach Chico.
Coach Chico. Coach Chico.
Totoo.
Sorry, Coach Chico. Oh.
Ano lang talaga, Coach? Kumbaga, mas marami kasing rookie. Andyan yung pyesa,
Yes.
andyan yung mga players na mahaba, athletic. Pero syempre, kailangan ng experience pa dito sa NCAA na kinukuha na nila ngayon.
Yes.
17-15. Arellano is back in front. Barrera. That was halfway down for him. Did not go in. De Leon is down. The ball goes to Arellano. Teka,
Vince
ito na
Sarmiento
si Vince Sarmiento.
coming in for the heavy bombers.
March De Leon. Oh, yeah, that's a good play from Borromeo. Tapping it to March De Leon. Ito si Yuan Kamay. Binabantayan ni Sean Argente. Hernal. Capulong. No. Gets his own miss. Puts it back in.
Mama.
Mama move. Tama ka, Coach. Para dito kay JL Capulong. It is a 9-0 run for Arellano in this stretch.
Magandang pace ng Arellano dito sa team eh. Same goes with JRU.
Argente, first shot. Goes down.
Sean Argente.
Sean Argente with a
Timeout by
long
Elgato
distance connection.
Chico.
And Coach Chico calls for time. Magbabalik po kami.
Ano doon? Right of the jump ball.
King Gortiza off
Eto
the
na.
screen.
Iyon
He
naman.
knocks it down. Wasting no time to make his presence felt.
As expected para dito kay King Gurtiza.
Ongotan. Pull-up jumper is off. Here comes Harvey Pagsanhan.
Ayun na naman si...
Back to the coverage. Mancom representative for Jose Rizal University, Sir Paul Suban, last season's chairman of the Mancom as well. Eto, ang aksyon mula kay JL Capulong. Gets the board, misses, gets it back. Third serving para dito kay JL Capulong to the delight of the Arellano crowd. But on the other side, kakapasok lang. Wow, Sean Argente picking up from where he left off against San Beda. Dr. Lorenzo, Mancom representative of EAC, also in attendance. But I want to talk about Sean Argente here. 27 points, a career high for him against San Beda. Off to a great start, nailing his first three-pointer right away. Oh, okay. Coach, long to lang, sabi. 19-17. So,
2 points lang.
long to yon para kay Sean Argente. Ooh!
Oy,
Sarmiento is down, holding on to... Ano, this is panapanaan.
panapanaan.
Holding on to that right ankle. Tignan natin kung
Kung kaya.
kung kaya at kung sino ang naapakan niya, Coach Jerry. Ito, silipin natin.
Mandatory substitution for
guarding
the
Hernal.
heavy bumpers.
Off the hop, here's the landing.
Lance
Noy.
Aviles
Yeah.
coming in for
Wala siyang naapakan, Coach, but because he was moving sideways para sabayan itong si Hernal, natapilok siya.
Oo.
Nag-fold yung ankle
Yes,
niya.
yes. Nangyayari talaga yan.
Yeah.
Baka ang tape masyadong maluwag.
Nako!
Oo, makukuha pa sa tape yan, ha? They will try, for sure. Kung makuha pa sa tape or sa ice dyan.
Tignan niya kung kaya niyang ipagpag, ano?
Oo, dati. Pinapagpag lang.
So, JRU is 2 players down already with Medina.
Very rare yun.
Wow.
Unusual kay, kay Mosqueda yung mga ganun drive.
Yeah.
Alam ko to, spot up shooter tong bata na to eh.
That's right.
Any big help yan para kay Argente.
Mosqueda unable to handle the board. Hernal gets it back for the Chiefs.
Grabe ang nagagawa ni Hernal. He can rebound, put back, tsaka pag nakuha niya sa ilalim, sure ball.
T-Mac, scoop, and the hoop
Jayadon
for T-Mac Umutan.
Akala mo, hindi niya mapipingiran yung ganun kalayo eh.
Nakita niya yung mismatch eh.
Oo.
Nasa kanya si Sarmiento.
Ganyan ba si Tracy McGrady?
Ah,
Diba?
yan, T-Mac. Argente, sideways shot.
Sean Argente.
Wow! 4 points now for Sean Argente.
Saka poise na poise si Argente. Tumira pa. After a basket, move to the next sequence kagad siya.
Correct. Hindi naglilinger.
Oo.
Kasi alam niya, tuloy-tuloy lang. JL, wala. Umutan out of nowhere. Ball goes back to JRU though. He got a series of great plays.
Sumesenya si Coach,
Ito, Coach, Argente, Pineke, up and under.
Suabe.
Leaner goes in. To the delight of the JRU students.
Coming in for the Chiefs.
Galing na bata to si Argente. Pero sumesenyas yung sa bench ng JRU. Backs out, guys.
Backs out.
Oo.
Kasi nakakarami na yung Arellano. Kung kanina, JRU ang nakaka-offensive rebound. Ngayon, Arellano in the last few minutes. Ito si MJ Raimundo driving and drawing a foul on.
Number 4, Lawrence Capulo.
Diyan nagagalit ang mga coaches eh. Nakatatlong dribble na, walang dumadating na help.
Kaya wala nang choice
Two
itong si
free throws
Capulong kasi
for Marvin Raimundo.
airborne na
Oo.
si Raimundo nun.
Sometimes kasi Mark, baka yung sag spot mo, napakalayo mo, nakadikit ka sa teammate mo. Kaya dapat at least two steps away o 3 steps.
Ito, Coach MJ Raimundo, couple of games ago, nagkaroon to ng breakout performance. So, against San Sebastian, again they won. Last game, solid naman, 8 points. Pero, you know he can do more. Ito si Espiritu, pumasok na para sa Arellano. So,
20 seconds on
At
the
least sa
clock.
backcourt, tatlong gwardya to para sa Chiefs in Espiritu, Omotan, and Geronimo. But I wouldn't consider, especially with the way he's playing, ito si Timac Omotan kasi yung rumi-rebound para sa Arellano.
20
Yes, maraming
seconds
ginagawa
on the
yan
shot
para sa team. Itong team ng laban natin ngayon is a battle of good press break. Tapos yung cardiovascular, kailangan solid dito sa laban na to.
It's gonna be an interesting rotation for both coaches. Oh, what a feed!
Ang ganda.
Bernal on the finish
Wow!
of the setup job
Joseph Bernal.
by Timac Omotan.
From Giordano Ongota.
Nakita pa niya yun. Ang laki nung nasa harap ng Ongotan
Omotan. Oh, Dipsy-do!
Marvin Raimundo.
For MJ Raimundo, who now has 10 points in the first quarter.
Ito si MJ Raimundo, baka nakapag-shadow dito kay De Los Santos last year.
Coach.
Nakita niya paano lumaro.
Benitez yung bumantay sa kanya. Nakita pa niya yung cut ni Hernal. But afterwards, a smooth play. Woo! Pinaliban ito ni MJ Raimundo. Espiritu. Benitez collects. Lozano, umatake. He gets the whistle.
Good judgment. Galing kay Lozano kasi nakita niya wide open. Seseng sana pero nakita niya he has the advantage.
Lawrence Caputo.
So Lozano will be rewarded with 2 free throws. Sander Estacio enters for the first time. Rookie out of
Free throws for
Chicago,
Justin Lozano.
USA. 6'5" center. Lozano drops in the first. Ganda ng first quarter natin, coach, na?
Tsaka maganda ang speed. Parehong teams. Gusto ko yung pace ng laban.
Yeah.
Tsaka pressure, controlled. Controlled ang aggression nila.
And 2 for 2 for Justin Lozano.
Pati siya kung may pressure sa backcourt.
Oo. Bigayan, ha? Ito na, ball pressure. Tingnan natin kung may tatawid. Hernal will be taxed to bring it across. Hernal! Dinaretso. Just missed it. JRU on the counter attack. Lozano out of control. Ball is loose. It is still loose. There's a whistle.
Sometimes yung pumapasa sa yung mga ganyan.
Having
Nakita
foul
nila mga
number
mag-under mo.
45,
Pero dapat
Joseph Espiritu. Penalty.
judgment mo, hatakin mo na.
First foul on Joseph Espiritu.
Yung
2 free throws for
both teams
Marvin
natin,
Raimundo.
coach, no? In each possession, they're looking to attack, they're looking to run as much as they can. Pareho, ah.
Second option lang yung mag-execute. Oo.
Nasa half court.
Oo.
Sabi niya, wag na. Pressure leagues kami, kaya tumakbo eh.
Oo.
Raimundo, now with 12 points in the first quarter. How about this guy? First quarter explosion.
Tsaka dito may expose ka kung mahina ka on the ball, off the ball defense, mahina ka, kita ka kagad dito. Kung sino marunong magbaba ng bola. Yan.
That's right, Ongotan, umatake. Last heave, pinaabutan ng oras. And that's how we will end.
At the end of
An
the
electric
quarter,
first quarter dito sa loob ng Philoelec Oil Center. It is the JRU Heavy Bombers regaining advantage 27-23. Will return for the second quarter of this game. Nanonood kayo ng NCAA Season 100.